Hi everyone. I wanted to share with you a wonderful project I had an opportunity to do with Jeff Epping. Jeff Epping designed a large estate project. He's working on it right now, and it's a continuity. It's a large prairie and grand woodland entrance. And he asked me to design a large meadow, 24,000 square foot contemporary meadow, which was a wonderful opportunity. I'm very pleased to have worked with him, and the owners are wonderful too. And the concept started with the prairie being the background, and then the more stylized native and non-native plants blended together to create more of an art form of mingling native and non-native plants together, including durability and proper stewardship. So it was a wonderful experience, and I'm very excited to have worked with Jeff and the owners. They're wonderful people. So I'm having a great time. Thanks a lot. See you later. Hi everyone. I wanted to show you the plan and share with you also the thoughts I had in putting the meadow together. I put in various patterns of native and non-native plants, mostly looking architectural features, a vertical element, and tied them together with matrices of spiralis prairie dropseed and a little blue stem called Jazz, I got from Brent Hovarth, and also moments of great drifts of calamintha interplanted with Allium stellatum, which would give it a nice pink soft white color. So I want to see how that works. I haven't used those combinations yet, so it's very exciting. We work with a wonderful crew from Good Oak. They did the planting. We drilled everything in, and Jeff Epping, Austin Eichlet, and my wife helped a lot with layout of the plants, and Cullerton and Quinn came with their whole staff. It was very exciting. So I'll see you later. Thanks. Hi everyone. It's July 4th. It's about almost noon, but I wanted to show you the development of the plug planting we did here in central Wisconsin last July. They've really taken off well. The plants look very healthy. This was all done from 2.5-inch containers. Heliopsis, the Penstemon Dark Towers, Stakey's Humalo. Look how much they've grown. Now let's take a closer look at Stakey's Humalo. This is from a 2.5-inch container planted last July. So we're really excited about the establishment of the garden. Way in the back you can see Achillea Heliglashoff. We have Achillea Coronation Gold. And I'm very excited about the plants. We've got some holes we need to fill, and we're going to do that in the next 3 weeks, because the key is get the garden off to a healthy start. And if we can have a healthy start, we can reduce the care of the garden as soon as the plants fill in and mature in another year. And that's the goal. Healthy start, continued health. All right, everybody, thanks for your time. I'll see you shortly. Take care. Bye.